Hello, good morning everyone. This is Danish. I'm presenting this video for the internship of the company, and my topic is impact of COVID-19 on connecting and converging. So we have seen this pandemic has boosted our efforts in this particular field to connect the people and connect the societies in a better and a smooth manner. So a pandemic as a whole has not went good, and obviously it's a pandemic, so the situation is worse for us. But this pandemic has boosted people to introduce the new technology, and people which who are working in technologies, they are coming up with new technologies to provide better experience and a smooth way of connecting people from different parts of the world. So as a whole, we can say this thing that this pandemic has boosted the efforts which to make connectivity and convergence more smooth or more acceptable thing in our society. So we have seen different technologies, different innovative ideas, different apps which are coming to make it possible, and it is make it feasible for the people to get connect with an easy and smooth manner, so that we can make this world a real global village where people are feeling should be feeling, and people get connected with each other. It doesn't matter whether you are physically connected with a person or not, but if you have well connected technology and support system, you can well connected with any person sitting in any part of the globe. So that's the biggest effort we are doing in this particular field to achieve this thing. And the biggest change due to pandemic we have seen in our corporate culture and in our business class as well. We have seen work from home culture, where people are working remotely for big organizations, and they are working very comfortably, and they are working by giving their 100% efficiency, and they are working well, and the companies are performing good in this. So there are a lot of companies who are coming with this particular idea that they will provide permanent work from home or permanent work location. So that's a big and new achievement for the entire industry and business model to achieve this particular thing. And there are many other impacts of COVID-19 in the field of this connectivity and convergence. We have seen that in this pandemic period, supply chain has been disrupted, and our logistics system has been disrupted due to this pandemic field. But with high level of connectivity and convergence, with lot of communication and lot of work and lot of synchronization in the working mechanism of the people, we have made it possible to resume our supply chain system and logistic systems to continue our business as well. So this is the tremendous efforts in this particular field of technology, so that we can provide a better option for people to get connected. And we have seen in work culture as well, there are different kind of options like Zoom meetings and conferencing. We have seen different big companies have launched their products even virtually, and there were no people attending the launch event physically, but they are attending it virtually, and it's a big event as well, and they have enjoyed it as well, and there are a lot of people which are able to connect with that. So it's an achievement for us. And if we see this particular connecting and converging technology, there are a lot of technologies which are coming up with this thing. Like, first of all, we have seen machine learning, artificial intelligence. So these are the technologies which are working to connect the people in a best manner, so that we can really feel that yes, we are connected with the people physically. So there will be no difference when we connect people with physically or artificially. So that's the experience kind of thing, that we get a much better experience with that. So obviously, when we have artificial intelligence and machine learning, we will have a big data bunch as well. So to manage that as well, we have new technologies, big data engineering and big data technologies, so that we can manage it well and secure the system. When we are talking about connecting everyone with this particular technology, or converging people's into a small section of technology, so we must have a secure system, so that we can make it future proof, so that our people will rely on that. They can adopt these particular technologies. So, and we have seen this that connecting and converging importance of this particular thing in financial sector as well. We have seen the economy is going cashless, and there is less cash penetration in the economy. And due to this pandemic as well, there is more use of digital currencies and digital payment system. So it's a great advantage, or we can say it's a blessing in disguise, that we have switched to this particular field, and we have made it smooth connectivity and convergence smooth process, so that we can do our things, daily things, in a easy and proper manner. So we have seen, for one of the example we have is telemedicine. We have seen doctors even consulting doctors virtually with these particular technologies, where we can connect with doctors and connect with anything. Even we have possible things like surgery even with 5G technologies. So there are technologies which are coming, and they are coming particularly to connect the people and converge the people into a small section. So with this help, we can definitely achieve what we have expected in our future. And this pandemic, basically we are talking about the impact of pandemic on future of convergence and connectivity. So with this pandemic, we have achieved this all technological advancement in a paced manner. We have achieved in a faster manner, so that we can be future ready. So that's the whole overview of my report, which I have presented in the file. So that's just a video interaction, so that I can give you a summary of this particular report. And that's it from my side. Thank you very much for the day.